Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. So in the previous session, I had covered the basics of sketcher modeling using Fusion 360, and in this session, I'll take you through the basic part modeling using Fusion 360. Let's get started with the simple models. This is the locating finger. You can start with the top plane, just right click and select it. Use S key to switch to the shortcuts. Okay, center circle, here dimension to switch, tab. Okay, D is the shortcut to enter the dimension. So you can select the area, right click and use the push pull and enter the value here directly. It is mentioned here 14. Shortcut, I want the chamfer, just enter C. So I'll get the chamfer. You can select the both the edges, define the value, it is 30, and the angle is anyway it is 45 degrees. Okay, green check. I need to draw the center portion, so I'll select the same plane, right click on it and sketch. Here I'll draw the rough sketch first. So this is how it looks like, but here it can't snap the edges of the previously created the feature, which was the feature which we had created. So we can activate the arc here. Yeah, so in other softwares like I had used SolidWorks and 3D Experience Works, it will automatically snap the locations. Okay, in 3D Experience as well it won't. Okay, but in SolidWorks it will snap the location, the edges and the points and all, but here it is quite difficult. You can see, you can drag this, can define the relation now, and here also these point coincident. Okay, it is automatically selected. Now the dimension D shortcut to activate the dimension. So from here to this edge it is given, as you could see in the diagram, it is 11 mm. The unit system you can set in the document settings, just right top corner document settings, you can set the unit systems there. Okay, so from this dimension it is given 5, and yeah, so this radius is given here 54. But still identified, you could see it is in blue, so you can try to drag the line. It is moving up and down, so I need to define the height. D shortcut from this point to this is 21. Okay, now it is fully defined. Black, right? Finish the sketch. Shift and middle cursor button to rotate, and right click, press pull, just select the mid symmetry here, enter the value. So total is given 54 by 2. If you take it, it will take the value. Okay, yep. So I need to create this cutout, the front face. Select, right click and use create sketch. Okay, and here I'll again draw the rough sketch. I'll start with the line tool. So this is how it is. So I even tried with the snap grids, but it didn't work. I think in future they might add it, or this is okay, no issues. It is just a simple 2 steps. So hold the control, select these two and define tangency. Yeah, this is done. Next, this should be construction. I don't need this, just a reference it is. Smart dimension, D shortcut, activate this and define the value. It is 32. Yep, still undefined. From this to this edge it is, I'll take it approximately 2. Okay, and this angle is 90 plus 30. So he has given 30 there, so plus 90 will be the value. Okay, still undefined. Try to move this, it's moving. Hold the control, select these two edges and linear, fine. Again, yeah, it is not defined with origin. This and this coincident, done. Yep, it's fully defined. I can mirror it, so select whole sketch, mirror, and just remove the center edge here, and here you add the same thing. Yep, sketch is fine. finish the sketch. Shift, hold the control and drag, and just select, hold the control, select these two areas, right click, push outside, just finish. Okay, quite easy, right? Now finally I just need to add the holes. So on this face, the top face, I need to sketch. So I'll right click on it and create sketch, and here C circle, shortcut, these two, and D shortcut, dimension, diameter is given, you could see this 8 for both. Dimension between these two is 19, and from this to this is given, it is 13. Still not defined, it is moving, so from this to origin the dimension is given 40. Yep, can mirror it, can draw the center axis, or else you can refer the same y-axis there. It's your wish. So I would like to have the axis for my reference. Select whole sketch, shortcut S key and mirror, select it, this one. These interfaces quite easy to use, and we have the shortcuts as well. Home tab, and just hold the control and select these areas, or you can use the extruded cut or simple pause extrude and remove material. These are the tools there, modifier tools are available. Okay, just drag it out and click OK. Done. Home. So finally I just need to apply the appearance. Just over, right click on any of the face, you can have the appearance. Can you see this? And here you have the bodies to be selected. Just drag and drop the color. So on the face you have selected. Now if I select this, it will add for entire model. So I'll take the normal paint, the red paint, click OK, just drag and drop it, close it or hit enter. Okay, so this is how you can just deal with this model. Quite simple, right? So we'll start with next one. This here I'll better go ahead with the not this, yeah, the front plane is fine. I'll start with the center. I'll take this as a reference. The dimensions you could refer, it is 44, radius is 22. C circle again. Yeah, 19. Here it is given as 12.5. Remember, if you enter the value and hit enter, the tool will get deactivated. You just keep it like this only, it will be locked, and you just need to click and go ahead with the next. This is what you need to remember if you want to continue the same tool again and again. So here let's do the same thing. I need a circle of 28, just lock it, just use 12.2. Yep, done. Click plus left click. Okay, one more. So the radius is given, so multiply by 2 will be the diameter. Escape, drag it out somewhat, and now I'll add a line for a reference to give the angle distance. This should be construction, and then D dimension from between these two. Escape, this one and this. Yeah, it is 15. It's given there. Yep. Oh, now yeah, this value is given. It is again 52. Okay, 52 minus 22 will be the value because I'm taking the center to center distance, right? Yeah. Next thing is need a line. Here one side it will snap the tangency, another side quite difficult. that you need to manually define between these two tangents. Again, for that too can define it. Yeah, this distance, normal distance is given 49, can enter the same thing. Yes, now what I can do is, oh yeah, I need these reference lines to be created. I'll refer the origin, I'll drag down and I'll create this downward line. Again on the top, same thing, referring the origin and this. If I refer this as well, I need to define the values, remember that. Yeah, so if I start from this side, you can easily snap the tangency. Now escape, can define the dimension. It is still moving, hold the control, select these two, done. Make horizontal distance from this to this, it is given as you could see there. Yeah, this is 22, and from this to top, total is 36. And escape, these two should be collinear to each other, right? Escape these two tangent, escape these two coincident, trim it. Yep, if you want to toggle the radius, you can do it. So you can trim unwanted things here, even the top circle as well. If you want, you can keep that. Yeah, so now the diameters wherever are there, I need to toggle it to radius. Right click and toggle it if you want. Okay, just select the area, right click, pull. Yeah, symmetry, the dimension it is given 28.5 by 2 will be the value. Okay, fine. So I'll select the top plane. On this I'll sketch center circle. I need shortcut S, center circle, switch to that. Oh yeah, dimension, you could see there the gap is given 13.4 or 2, you can refer anything. Now from this these two, yeah, make horizontal. Automatically it will snap vertical or horizontal depending upon the requirement. Between these two it is given 38. Yep, finish the sketch. And now only this area I need to like remove the material. You can select that, right click, symmetry, drag out, hit enter. That's all. Quite simple, right? Home tab. Now on this space I need to sketch, right click and create sketch. A circle I'll take as a reference. See, circle and the diameter is 19, radius 38 will be the same thing. Yeah, I'll do it. I'll refer this origin at same thing as I said, 1982. Yep, I need a line at this bottom center, it is 9 mm, so I'll activate the line tool, L shortcut, and you can draw it from here. Next thing, from here to here, D shortcut, dimension is 9. Yep, so now this is fine. Here the biggest advantage is you can remove the areas, so select these two and -6. Okay, direction it is outwards. If you add the value minus, it will take it automatically. Biggest advantage. Okay, it will automatically select the areas and it will remove. Haven't seen this in other software. Yep, mirror shortcut S key, can select it. I need the features. This feature should be mirrored and the plane is the center plane, this one. Okay, great tool, we can say. Next, this is fine. I just need to hide these all planes and appearance I need to add. Simply right click on the face and select appearances, change it to blue, whole model, enter or close. Quite simple, right? Yep, so if you're the beginner, these two are the best example for you to onboard yourself on Fusion 360. Yep, that's all about the session. I hope you got to know about the Fusion 360 tools on basic part modeling. Yep, thank you all. Stay tuned. Bye everyone.